Hey guys, just a small update about Google professional certificates. Google offers 5 professional certificates in data analytics, project management, UX design, IT support, and IT automation. And these certifications are 6 months long and it can prepare you for the entry level job in their respective fields. And if you'd like to explore these professional certifications, which can help you get a job, I'll leave the link in description. Do check it out. In this video, we'll see about the free digital marketing online courses that are offered by LinkedIn Learning. So currently LinkedIn is offering a learning path on digital marketing, which is called Become a Digital Marketing Specialist. And it consists of 11 courses which are completely free to take and anyone can enroll in it. There is no restriction. So you have over 20 hours of video content for this program in which you can learn a lot of things related to digital marketing. So first, let's see what are those 11 courses which will be covered in this Become a Digital Marketing Specialist program. So first one is a basics course, Digital Marketing Foundations. And then the second one is Google Analytics for GA for Essential Training. And then you have a course on Search Engine Optimization, that is SEO. And you have Google Ads course. And then you have Content Marketing course, Social Media Marketing Foundations course. And then you have Marketing on Facebook and Instagram course. And then you have another course related to social media marketing on strategy and optimization, and then you have email and newsletter marketing foundations course, and finally you also have a graphic design course as well. So these are the 11 courses which are currently available for free in LinkedIn Learning, and with these courses you can of course learn a lot of things related to digital marketing. And after completing these courses, you can also earn a free certificate from LinkedIn Learning. For each of these courses you can get it, and after completing this entire program you can also earn your batch of completion for this learning path, Become a Digital Marketing Specialist. So now let me tell you how you can enroll in this program. So first, click on the sign in button that you see here on the right top, and then you'll be directed to a page like this, and here you can just use your LinkedIn credentials and log into your account. Or else if you do not have your LinkedIn account, you can simply click on this join now button, and then you'll be directed to a page like this. And here first, give your phone number and set a password, and click on agree and join, and create your LinkedIn account first. Or else you can also use your Google account to create your LinkedIn account. And once you have your LinkedIn account, you can enroll in these courses. So now let me just log into my account and catch up after that. So as you can see here, now I have logged into my account. And once you log into your account, the same page will be looking like this, Become a Digital Marketing Specialist program page. And here you can see 11 items, which are 11 courses of course. And here you will actually see a button which will be like start your learning path. You can just click on it, and then you will see something like this, continue with, and you will see the first course here, Digital Marketing Foundations. And now you can simply click on it, and then you will be directed to that particular course page. And this is the first course in the list. And here on the left side you can also see what are the things that will be covered in this particular course. So you have digital marketing framework, first steps. So they have listed everything clearly on the left side. You can just go through it. They have also given what are the videos available and what's the duration of each video, and you also have some quizzes as well. So complete all these video contents and take all the necessary quizzes, and once you are done with the course, you can just get your certificate. To get the certificate, just click on show all near certificates. So you will see related to this course, and under that you will see certificates. Just click on show all near certificates, and then here you can see that LinkedIn Learning certificate is available for this particular course. And now it is not available because I haven't completed the course yet. So once you complete the course, this will become available. You can simply click on this link and download your LinkedIn Learning certificate for this particular course. And as I said, after completing all the 11 courses, you can also earn a batch of completion for this Become a Digital Marketing Specialist program as well. So I hope you'll find this video useful. If you would like to get more updates about online courses, subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out.